took him, I think, 12 years before we finally bought a Rotochopper piece of equipment. And I'm so glad we did, because at the end of the day, I mean, I can show you some things, just even recently, this week, some hits that we took in one of the contaminated piles that we were processing. I say contaminated, it was a green waste load. It's supposed to be a really clean load, but it had a huge iron piece of steel in there. And our old machine that we had chosen to do the shingle operation with, that never really took off, and so we started using that older machine to do green waste just to get some more usable life out of that piece of equipment. Well, we got to the end of that usable life and being frustrated by breakage and downtime, Nick came in, hey, I've got a machine, I'd love to let you run it, I'll come show you what we're doing. It also colorizes, so you can do your wood waste, you can do your green waste, and you can colorize your wood waste and make your own mulch. What do you say, kind of a thing, you know? And I was at the time where I'd used that other grinder for a long enough period that it's like, you know what, I'm tired of this other machine being broken down more often than it needs to be. And I wasn't really wanting to buy a new machine, but when I had them do the demo and I started running numbers in my spreadsheet, I'm like, I'd be stupid not to. I mean, it was an instant swing in cash flow in our favor by a lot.